What's the meaning of BA? BA. BA.
BA. BA. BA has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In business, BA can refer to a business analyst, someone who analyzes data and processes to help improve a company's efficiency and profitability. In education, BA can refer to a Bachelor of Arts degree, an undergraduate program that usually takes 4 years to complete. In aviation, BA can refer to British Airways, a major airline based in the United Kingdom. Overall, the meaning of BA depends on the context in which it is used.